So you have ordered the car titles document package. What do you get? When does it come? Well, here's what happens. Once you place the order, we immediately start preparing documents for your car title process. They're usually done within a few hours, almost always the same day. And you'll get an email that will confirm all the spellings and the VIN number to make sure everything's correct after we've printed it out to make sure it's ready to go. Once you verify everything's right, then we send you out this package. It's a full portfolio of all your documents, all the different places they need to be signed. Some states allow for digital signatures. If that's the case, we don't need to send you any package. You can sign it online. Normally, most states are still in the paper era. And if that's the case, we send you this package with all the signatures identified, where to sign it, where to put your name, where to put your address. And then once it's signed, we'll give you an envelope, exactly where to send it back to for filing. Also, for convenience, there's a full instruction sheet. Everything's filled in. You don't have to normally fill in really anything. There's also a QR code to make it easier for instructions. It'll have little arrow stickers. Your video will be back in 8 seconds. In the meantime, remember, you have access to live one-on-one consultation, undivided attention of a licensed certified expert in this subject and many others. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions and give you expert advisement of your options. We want to tell you what we know about your situation and what options you have. Now back to your video. Where you sign, and once it gets sent back either to us or to wherever it needs to get sent to for processing, it'll have direct access for you to get your title. Once all the documents have been reviewed, the title is sent directly to you with your name on it. It's not in anybody else's name. It doesn't come to us. It comes directly to you. But that's an example of your car title packaging that comes to you. We sent it USPS priority mail with tracking. It's 2-day shipping, so you'll have it very quickly. Again, in states where they allow for digital signatures, all this is done electronically. Most states are still on paper. If you followed our channel, you can see that there is an eStart program. And the eStart Coalition is a group that we're a member of, along with many other prominent companies like DocuSign and some DMVs, where we're in the process of transitioning different DMVs over to electronic title, so you don't need all that paperwork. But that's still a few years away. But in the meantime, we'll get all the documents to you, where to sign them, a couple things you might have to check off boxes, but that's the package you get. And when you get it, if you have any questions, you can contact our operations department. They'll go through it with you. But that's the package you get from Car Titles when we do the paperwork for you to get your title easier. If you like this video, be sure to click on a few others on our channel to see if there's other information that might be helpful to you about this same subject, or maybe even other related subjects that could assist you with your resolution of your issue.